powerful young lady. If I stay true to my word, which I will. Talk about how crazy you drove me. Talk about them favors you owe me. Talk about them lies you told me. Talk about true colors you showed me. Talk about them. Motherfucker. I'm gonna sing this bitch like a flame in this bitch, and even cuss the word in this hoe, going trouble with it. Slow it down, speed it up. How you do that? Let him fuck. Been stuck, sit it up, slow it down and control it. I just wrote my whole little verse, so. Already.
Oh shit, heard you.
You asked me, bet what you want the topic to be. I don't know. Like, that's what I'm telling y'all. I don't know.
Oh yeah, so that's not something you really good at doing yet, finding a topic, but you could definitely like vibe off the beat type shit.
Yeah, it's here.
I've heard people's songs and it'd be like 2-3 people in there and they just all be on a whole different topic. You'd be like, well, he's trying to shoot him and she's trying to smack the shit out of her.
Okay, let me see. Okay, it's nobody smacking nobody.
No, I know. That beat, I'm about to make some vibey shit. I would probably talk about my girl a little bit. I ain't gonna lie.
Okay, do that.
Alright, bet. Sturdy. Let's get active.
The studio in a few. So, it's February 25th, 2025. We're here. Was planning some long-term goals just now mentally. Basically, I have to dedicate my life to not only entertaining, enlightening, and educating the masses, specifically the younger girls like me, specifically the younger girls that will evolve into unhinged individuals like me. I'm trying to prevent that from happening. Knowledge is power, so that's why my brand's fuel will be knowledge, and the overhead is low, because it's really just a mind thing. You don't need to have or do the most to make an impact. Anywho, on top of dedicating my life to educating, enlightening, and entertaining the masses, don't let me start ranting, please. It's February 26th. Oh, wow. I said the 25th. It's really the 26th. I wasn't paying attention, but it's actually February 26th. We just freaking catapulted, I swear to you. February 25th. That it was the 25th when I looked at that time the first time. On top of doing all that I can do to achieve my goals and continuously develop my brands in a way that will create a kind of greater good effect, a ripple, if you will, I now have the honor, and this assignment was given to me from our higher power, all of ours, right? I don't care. This assignment was given to me from above. I'll tell you my 2 new long-term goals right now. For one, I'm receiving that I need to be a more responsible, consistent, disciplined person before any of this shit works out. And I've received, I love you, God. Thank you for waking me up this morning. I love you, universe. Thank you for waking me up this morning. See, once you start talking to these higher powers, things start shifting for you. And you kind of feel it in your spirit, in your soul, in your body. I know that I come off as crazy sometimes, but my mind, it's more so a hyper-aware thing, kind of, you know? Anywho, I feel amazing. I'm standing on 2 feet, and I feel good. First of all, one thing about it, I can mature and evolve into a grown-ass woman with my hair looking like this. The hair is a mere aspect of my external value. The appearance, please, stop being so fucking surface level. Look beyond that. Imagine if I was bald right now. Would the message still be the same? Good evening. For those of you that have me on Instagram, if you watched my story when I said I was going plant-based, then you know I'm going plant-based when my groceries are gone. I also want to stop. Smoke inhalation is not good anyway, guys. If you're indulging in CBD or hookah, you know what I mean? Like, none of it is good at all. Our organs, our body, not meant to inhale smoke. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck how much you like getting high. Eat a gummy or 2. But then, Gummies aren't that good for your teeth. I personally don't like how edibles have that more so delayed effect. I love myrcene. If you're a terpene lover, you're a terpene lover. I like that. I'm not going to get too much into it, but tap into my stories. In the next few months, it will get real. I'm tired of living the same life. I'm tired of living the same way. I'm tired of myself. At a certain point, you just get tired of yourself. When you get tired of yourself, you need to make a change. Yeah. So going plant-based. Oh, also 16.9 ounce bottles of water per day is the minimum. So it's about 101 ounces. I think. You're not exes, but somehow you're not.
Push me a little nigga top back. Her boyfriend be hanging and calling the groupie just cause she like my music. Was expecting the box to pull up on the truck, man. This nigga pulled up on the screw.
Had a pretty good day. I only ate fruit, watermelon, pineapple, grapes, a banana. If I'm gonna be plant-based for the next 60 days, 59, I need protein. Not meat. I don't need meat. Hold on. Goddamn fan was on the whole time. My eye bags are so... But I haven't been crying or anything, so. I literally am about to starve. Until the day gonna end. I'm starving. Like, I could pass out right now. Let me put this pasta on, this chickpea pasta. Gosh, ooh. Ooh. Chickpea pasta doesn't even look like chickpea pasta. I look so good, so that's why I want to keep the camera rolling, but I'll see y'all later. I had a really good morning. I woke up around 4 o'clock for some reason. I started cleaning up, doing the dishes, shit like that. Then I got a little tired. So then I went to sleep. Then I woke up and shit just started pissing me off. People started pissing me off again. Everything is pissing me off. I'm pissing myself off. But you know what they say? Everything that you do or experience or feel and stuff like that is a direct reflection of you. So it's my fault. All right, so we're gonna come on here really quick and transmute this energy. I'm not even gonna do like any extra theatrics today. Yeah, okay. I literally can't do the most since this person, they wanna do what they wanna do, let's do it. I was relaxing earlier and I was checking my emails. This comment was brought to my attention. This would load. And I saw this. So it says, after graduating from Smith, you joined an occult for a bag. Didn't go very far, so I guess it's not prospering you. So I stopped right there. And I actually started doing all types of things to transmute that energy without even knowing. First of all, in a cult, I wanted to understand what the where you were coming from. I joined an occult. Okay. A supernatural, mystical, or magical belief, practices, or phenomena. The supernatural. I joined an occult. Occultism is a group of esoteric or supernatural beliefs and practices which generally fall outside of the scope of organized religion and science, encompassing phenomena involving hidden or secret agency, such as magic and mysticism. It can also refer to paranormal ideas, such as extrasensory perception and parapsychology. You think, God, I'm trying to really understand where you're coming from. So now we're gonna screen record. I joined an occult for a bag. Okay. It's not even on here. Gosh, I need to see it. Like, YouTube studio. Okay. Somebody's been binging. I mean, if you... And guess what? I privated a lot of videos. So it's like, if you like that, you might like some other shit too. But hold on one second. We about to turn all this shit up. Nails done. Like, candles lit. We doing what we gotta do. Hold on one second. I joined an occult. Like, I didn't join anything besides 50-55. I try to keep it civilized, y'all. And it's like Asia, and then it's Chin. Like, I don't even know if I like Chin or like Asia Chin, right? I don't know. Either way, I don't understand why it's ads going on. I'm not a part of the ad partner program or whatever it's called, Google AdSense. So I don't know. I guess they're still running ads on my shit. I guess that's just what they do. Like, that's YouTube. But I thought some smaller creators, you don't experience ads, right? That's what I thought. I'm getting off track. Content. I'm trying to find. It's crazy. Did they delete it? Well.
The phone and say, this God did, man. I mean, God believe in us and you playing with this shit? These motherfuckers don't believe in us and God did.
Another motherfucking day that I am verbally assaulted by the music you niggas choose to.
Because I'm different, I don't wanna know what they used to do. All girls club going crazy. Yeah, I knew something was there. Okay, I make your whole play for you. Are you sure? Because I'm different, I don't wanna know what they used to do.
What the fuck is good? I woke up at like 3-something. I went to the kitchen. You know, phone saying 3-something, laptop saying 3-something, stove and microwave saying 2-something. So I just feel like I caught that one. For sure. Okay, baby, no more talking 25, I'ma show it. You making me happy, you getting me thick. And asking who my surgeon on the gang. They get my mouth making me shut up or something. Back up in this bitch with an update. Still plant-based. I didn't hop up. I didn't go get a chicken. I didn't get a steak. You know. I gotta go get some more spring water. And I'm about to go get some broccoli. I haven't eaten a single thing. The fuck? Who wants to open a fucking fridge to see nothing but plants, bro? It's nothing but plants in that bitch. Like, I fucking open the fridge. I closed the fridge. Not a joke.
Okay, baby, no more talking 25, I'm showing in your eyes.
Yes. Just took my liners out. I honestly just want to be super vocal about the fact that I do not want to do anything too labor intensive. I want my presence and automatic success mindset to radiate and take over for me. I don't want to do too much. I want to move to Florida or Thailand or Bali. And I want to do it before I'm 30. But to do that before I'm 30, I have to get rich. And it's like... Let it all work out. Let it all work out. Let it all work out. Like, I just need some steak. Ooh-wee. I need a steak right now. Or a Chipotle bowl. Yes, sir. I'm literally about to succumb to a weaker mindset today. Let's see if I got it in me. Ignore the background.
Go to bed, stop messing around with him. But you wouldn't listen.
See, I've been out there, I'm 762 here, pack like some candy. Pop with the jet when I'm landing. They grow my money right now, I'm demanding it. Look like some cameras and drones. I walk out the house and I put that shit on. Don't they go stone? Static to tone and show that I'm gone. I'm having cash, I don't need a loan. Look at my bitch, she back to the phone.
I either got a big face. I don't think I got a big face, per se. But there's something going on right here. I don't know if this is a lot of lymphatic fluid. This is beautiful for one. Hold on one second. Very beautiful.
And this is why exploration is one of the most important things in branding, because if you were to just jump into the design straight away, you could be missing out on so many possibilities when designing. It is worth putting the time in at the start. Maybe we're going to have like a base colour palette like this, and then add some vibrant colours that would be cool. So we always are using the navy blues and the pale blues. Moon texture to the packaging. In relation to the moon, we could also have